Cha-cha slide gets interrupted by... Let's find out. Oh God, is this Sterling? Yes, it is!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.
Sterling.
Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:17 p.m., a cold front was located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 23 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: sudden onset of westerly wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: observed wind. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, and Gibson Island. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.
Yep, Sterling interrupted the cha-cha slide.